downtown San Bernardino right now. Slidell, downtown San Bernardino is not and being without shelter in this kind of weather, not the best place to be right now. I would go home, but in this kind of weather, there's no fucking way I dare traveling. Not in this kind of fucking weather. I mean, I know it may not seem bad, from a certain point of view, but you get out there and you driving it and then see. Yeah, they're telling you, if you're walking around in weather like this, and your hair starts sticking up and whatnot, seek shelter because you're about to be hit by lightning. I looked it up on the web, and according to statistics, there's only a one in a million chances that anyone would be hit by